Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Learning Ascent. I'm William, and today I want to share something very powerful with you. Have you ever felt stuck in English? You study hard, you watch videos, you memorize words. But when it's time to speak, nothing comes out. You freeze. Your mind goes blank. Don't worry, you're not alone. So many learners feel the same way. But here's the truth. You don't need to spend hours every day. You don't need to move to London or New York. And you don't need a native speaker at your side. What you really need are small, smart, and repeatable habits, daily actions that fit into your life. And in this episode, I'll give you exactly that. By the end of this video, you will know how to practice English every single day, even if you're busy. Stop freezing in conversations and build real confidence. Improve listening and speaking at the same time. And, most importantly, make English a natural part of your life. So if you've ever asked, how do I practice English without wasting time? Stay with me, because this might completely change the way you learn.
Listening is the foundation of fluency. If you want to speak well, you must first train your ears. Now, maybe you say, but William, I don't understand everything. Should I still listen? Yes, absolutely yes. Because listening is not just about understanding every word. It's about training your brain to hear the rhythm, the music, and the natural sound of English. Start with what you enjoy. Podcasts, short YouTube videos, songs, or even simple news. Don't worry about 100% understanding. Even if you understand 30 or 50%, you are still learning. Make English your background sound. Play it while cooking, cleaning, walking, or relaxing. Even 10 minutes a day can change you if you do it every day. Listening is good, but listening alone is not enough. You must open your mouth. And that's where shadowing comes in. Shadowing means repeating what you hear immediately, like an echo. Copy the sound. Copy the tone. Copy the rhythm. Let's practice right now. Say with me, I practice English every day. Again, I practice English every day. Now, say, shadowing helps me sound natural. Again, shadowing helps me sound natural. At first, it feels strange. Maybe you laugh at yourself. But day by day, your mouth becomes faster. Your pronunciation becomes clearer. And speaking feels easier. Even 5 minutes of shadowing daily can transform your fluency.
This is the big one. Most learners make this mistake. They think in their language, then translate, then try to speak. By the time they finish, the conversation is gone. To be fluent, you must stop translating. You must think directly in English. How? Start small. Tiny thoughts. It's morning. I need coffee. The weather is hot. During your day, describe things in your mind. I'm walking. I feel tired. I'm ready to eat. At first, it feels slow, but with practice, your brain starts to rewire. One day, you'll realize you are thinking in English without effort. And when you think in English, speaking becomes fast and natural. Silent reading is good, but if you want to train your voice, read out loud. Why? Because 3 powerful things happen. 1. Your mouth learns English sounds. 2. Your ears hear your own English voice. 3. Your brain connects words more quickly. Choose a short text, maybe a story, a news piece, or even subtitles. Step 1. Read slowly. Focus on pronunciation. Step 2. Read again a little faster. Step 3. Read with expression, like an actor. This will train your mouth and build confidence. Soon, you'll notice your voice feels smoother, clearer, and more natural. This is the most powerful step. Don't just study English, live in English. Change your phone settings to English. Every day, write 3 short sentences about your day. Record a 1-minute voice note. Join a group online. Watch short clips. Pause and repeat. These tiny habits may feel small, but small habits done daily build fluency. Step by step, day by day, until one day you realize English is not just something you learn. English is part of your life. Final motivation. So, my friend, don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start today. Listen. Shadow. Think in English. Read aloud. And live with English. Do this daily, even in small steps, and your fluency will grow. Now, let me ask you, which of these 5 steps will you start today? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to know. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Learning Ascent. Because here we climb step by step together toward English fluency. I'm William. Thank you for spending this time with me. Keep going, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.